Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! If you don't know me, I'm Aurora, and today I'm finishing up this painting. I'm calling it The 12 Birds of Christmas. I've been working on this project for 2 weeks now, and it took me a total of 11 hours and 22 minutes to finish. I finished the painting Sunday, which meant I had to edit all night and all this morning to get it out to you guys today. Sorry about the late upload. If you like the music, it's by Ian Matica. His profile and song titles will be in the description. I wanted to talk about Christmas today since it's coming up soon. As a kid, I was fortunate enough to wake up to a buttload of presents under the tree. We would get to look through our stockings first before my parents got up. They were usually filled with candy, small toys, a couple oranges, and walnuts. My parents told me the gifts were from Santa and kept that charade up way past when I stopped believing in him. I remember thanking my mom for the gifts, and she would smile and tell me they were from Santa, and I didn't have to thank her. I always felt bad about not thanking her, though. I was trying to show her my appreciation, but she would rather give Santa the credit. I've always just assumed it was because it's hard for parents to watch their kids grow up, so I didn't give her a hard time about it. We would celebrate Christmas morning at my parents' house, and once we were done opening presents there, we would go to my grandma's house to open presents from the family. When we would get there, there would usually be monkey bread in the oven and eggs and breakfast sausage in a pan, as well as quiche and Christmas cookies. My cousins, aunts, and uncles would all be there, and we enjoyed Christmas breakfast together. After breakfast, we would open our gifts one at a time from youngest to oldest, and that's how Christmas was for a long time growing up. Once I was old enough to leave my mom's house and move into my grandma's, we started doing Christmas a little differently. Instead of everyone getting a bunch of gifts, we would each have one person to buy a gift for that year with a budget. I thought it was fun to pick a gift for someone, but it also challenged how well you really knew your family member. We did that for a few years, and now that I'm an adult and moved out, we've stopped that tradition and are now only buying presents for the littler kids in the family. My cousin's sister and I went out Christmas shopping together this year for gifts for our grandma and our mom. It was nice to spend time with them now that my sister's in college and my cousin is still out of state. My cousin's sister and I decided not to get anything for each other this year, and that it would be more fun to go do something together. We haven't decided what it is yet, but there's still time to figure it out. Now that I have a fiance I'm marrying next year, I have a whole new family to celebrate Christmas with. It's nice to further get to know his family, and I felt more accepted as part of the family this year. So Christmas has definitely changed as I've grown up. I don't really feel the need for Christmas presents anymore. Anything I need I can get with adult money now, and I don't really like receiving things that don't have a purpose because it just feels like clutter. Now Christmas is a time to reconnect with loved ones and appreciate living another year together. Let me know if you guys have experienced this or anything like it. What was Christmas like for you growing up? Did your parents tell you Santa was real? I'm genuinely curious. Let me know in the comments. Alright, that's my story. If you want to stick around to the end of the video, feel free. If not, no hard feelings. See you guys in the outro. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. If you liked the music, it's by Ian Matica. His info will be in the description as well as the song titles used. I finally have prints and cards out on my Etsy, also in the description. I'm doing a 1K giveaway. You guys are going to send me the reference, and when I hit my goal, I'm going to paint it, make a video out of it, and send it to the lucky winner. If you're interested, subscribe, comment subs, and click on the link in the description. I'll be back next Monday with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!